So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day. Euro USD. So Euro USD should be giving us like a bearish move in sell. What are we going to be expecting that sell is what I'm going to be looking at very soon. So make sure you've subscribed to the channel. To those of you that subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, this is the movement right here on our power time. Market is trending to the downside. So this is our first low. Here comes the high. Now this is the low. And here comes the lower high. So with this lower high, we should expect market to drop one time since it's able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So guys, are you in this sell? If you are in this sell, you can still hold your sell position, market will still drop. But if you are not yet in the sell, now is the best time, or will I say perfect opportunity for you to go in right on this sell on Euro USD. So guys, in the long run, you'll be expecting Euro USD to continue to drop. So a bearish move for the is what you should be expecting on our Euro USD.